Hello everyone, Amit this side. So today we'll learn about Amazon RedShift. So what is Amazon RedShift? RedShift is a fully managed petabyte scale data warehouse service. So what is fully managed? Fully managed. Now it is managed by AWS. Now what are the things AWS managed? The provisioning, configuring, monitoring, backup your data, and secure your data. Warehouse through AWS in an automated fashion. So RedShift is actually designed for analytic workloads. So what is analytic workloads? Analytic databases are kind of read-only systems that stores historical data on business metrics such as sales, performance, and inventory levels. So what are the use cases? So actually we have used it in one of the project where we have around 600 terabytes of data stored on RedShift, and we have used Kinesis as a pipeline and EMR for processing. EMR is also a service to process the big data kind of things, and then later save it on RDS MySQL. And one more thing about RedShift is we can directly dump our ORC of Parquet files from S3 to RedShift. So guys, let's do practical. So here is our console window. Now type here RedShift, click over RedShift. Now we have RedShift console. So quick launch your cluster. What is DC2.large? Now here node type are four node types. Two of them are compute optimized and another two storage optimized. So compute optimized having SSD type storage and storage optimized having HDD types. These DC stand for dense servers or dense storage kind of things. So right now we have two number of nodes. It is a cluster type. So two nodes we are using. Here we have master username and password. What kind of password it will accept? A264 printable ASCII characters, excluding this kind of symbols, and it must contain one upper, one lower, and one number. So let's. Here we have RedShift 2. Okay, one or something wrong to RedShift 2. Password does not match. Let's write over here RedShift 2. Copy, paste. Also some one upper, one lower, and one number. So RedShift 3. Okay. Now our password is database port is 5439. So launch our cluster. Click over here. launch cluster. So we have a RedShift cluster. Will be here in a moment. So click on clusters. Here we have one cluster, which status is creating. It will take some time. Let's see some pricing model. So here we have three things: on-demand pricing, Amazon RedShift, Spectrum pricing. Spectrum is actually to hit the SQL queries over RedShift. Reserved instance pricing, as we have in EC2, we have some kind of upfront cost. If you want to take a RedShift cluster for more than a year, then it will save up to 75% over the on-demand rates. So best option is reserved instance pricing. If you want to practice, use on-demand pricing. So what on-demand pricing says? In Ohio, we have 0.25 per hour. EC2.large. We are using this dense compute. 2, 7, 15 memory and storage is SSD. If you want dense storage, which is based on SDD, you have to pay 0.85 per hour. So let's see right now. And one more thing is like if you want to connect to the RedShift cluster, uh, you can use PostgreSQL client because RedShift is based on PostgreSQL. Okay, guys, and let's see the reserved instance pricing, or let's you understand this spectrum pricing. Spectrum pricing is like there are no charges. This is create alter table. We can hit these commands over the RedShift or S3. Okay, SQL queries against exabyte data in Amazon S3. So as I told you that we can store our or Park file, Parquet or ORC. Here we have just Parquet and ORC file. So pricing model something like this. EC2.large monthly upfront is no, effective 0.2, on demand 0.25. This is third 3-year term 0.10. So simply we have many different pricing models. We have, yeah. So if you want a description, full description about RedShift cluster, here we have an endpoint URL through we will connect through our PostgreSQL client, and parameter group is there. My port 54369, database name, master username, and my password. So hope you guys enjoyed this session and happy learning.